All these kids are waiting to shake the hand of the mayor of Livermore, and they're also going to be on TV. They were in the book, the reading program for their elementary schools. There's about 1,000 kids here waiting in line to shake the hand of,
look at this pedal.
of the mayor.
Her
Here's one of the kids. She is number 547.
I go before Kevin goes.
Kevin is 548, and Sarah found a pretty flower. And this young lady is
Grace.
Grace, that's right. I remember.
And
you,
we
Grace.
both got to Crutchy.
Yeah,
We
you
were
both go to
friends.
Crutchy.
Kevin was friends
But-
with her, and I was with
But
in
Sarah, you're
kindergarten.
in first grade, and Grace is in third, huh?
Yeah. She's tall enough to be in second.
Isn't it amazing?
She is scaring me. You
I
cannot
know.
get taller than me. You will not.
She might.
It is an order.
It
You
runs.
cannot.
Grace, it runs in their family. Kevin's pretty tall too, you know.
I know.
Okay. So where's your mom?
Jordan Sheehan.
47, go ahead and go in. 48.
Phoebe Sheehy. Hannah Sean. Emily Sari Ponian. Madeline Snodgrass. Hannah So. Haley Spadowski. Sarah Scaroni. Kevin Scaroni. Trishylan Triguran. Camille Still. Skylar Still. Victoria Stimpfig. Catalina Stimpfig. Katie Stromgren.
I fell on the cement. You want to see what happened?
What's wrong with your kids today, Luca?
And then I got a scrape on my
They had a bad
down,
day.
huh?
Kevin fell on his head, and Sarah fell on her arm.
Because my Kindle tripped me on the cement.
Oh no!
It was their last. Can we take our tags off?